What's up, y'all?
Hey, y'all.
I got my sister here with me today. We got some Church's chicken.
Yeah.
Well, not really the chicken. We got the shrimp.
Yes.
What?
What?
You see these little bit of shrimp?
Yeah, it's only a little bit.
Y'all, look at this nonsense they did to us.
And they tried to trick me. They put my poppers in with the shrimp.
Look at these. I should have asked for the chicken strips and the shrimp. I didn't think. No wonder they gave us one pack of tartar sauce.
Yeah.
But anyways, you guys, I got the shrimp, the garlic butter shrimp. Let's see if they taste like garlic butter. A biscuit, mashed potatoes, mac and cheese, and coleslaw.
Yes, guys. I have the same, but I just have the jalapeno poppers instead of mac and cheese.
Y'all. Yes. What, the bread? What, the shrimp? Oh, them poppers. I can't stand them things, y'all. Hi. And mahogany.
They hot, but they're good.
No, they too hot. I can't take it. Ooh, y'all. Have y'all... The plastic sticking to my hand. Have y'all seen these? They're Reese's things. Oh my gosh, I love Reese's peanut butter cup. That right there, I'm eating the whole bag.
Really?
I'm hungry, y'all. Can I have my tartar sauce?
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you. And of course, we got Cokes.
Yeah.
For the drink.
I mean, oh,
You want some mac and cheese? Shoot. Y'all, I got my nails done today. I'm having a hard time over here. It's been a long time since I got them done. Okay. We good. You want some mac and cheese? You can have some mac and cheese, not the tartar sauce. That goes with the shrimp, boo. Is the end still on the shrimp?
it looked like
Man. See, they make it harder than it need to be.
Like, why would you completely fry that whole part? Like, how it taste?
You ain't got no garlic. No butter. This is fried shrimp.
Yeah.
False advertisement, churches.
How do tartar sauce taste?
Turn it off. It tastes.
It look like it tastes like the mayonnaise kind.
No. Look. Eat it. Okay, we're just gonna get that out.
What?
You got the mac and cheese out real quick.
Thank you.
Yeah, I love my coleslaw
Oh.
and mashed potatoes mixed up these times. So good. I'm gonna add some more honey.
Remind me to bring out
To my biscuit.
yeah, I been did that. Them papers
Okay.
for my
Oh, what you call it? Oh shoot, y'all, the honey
Now,
just
why you looking like that?
drizzling everywhere.
Look, you guys.
They don't taste like nothing. They taste like fried shrimp. They're supposed to be garlic butter. The honey wastes all over my hand. Mahogany just took over my mac and cheese. That's okay. It's all right.
You're getting a big piece. That's too big of a piece. Yeah.
Mashed potato and coleslaw mixed together is so good.
Is you okay?
I'm like nickel avocado. He was like, that's so good. Look, you like mahogany? The shrimp is good.
Yeah.
It just tastes like fried shrimp.
Yeah.
No garlic butter taste to it. Hey, okay.
I heard you put a little piece of fire in my mouth.
If y'all ever try them churches jalapeno bombers, I can't. They too hot for me. I cannot tolerate spice at all. Your mouth on fire?
But it's good though. For me. I don't know what it tastes like with honey on it.
Ew. No, that's not a...
You get that sweet and then that fire savory, girl.
Boo, you just took over my mac and cheese. As much as I love mac and cheese, you took over. Now, that's one thing I know I can get her to eat in Disney. Is mac and cheese. If nothing else, mac and cheese and chicken. I can't wait to crack open them Reese's Thins.
They dipped me.
That's a baby shrimp.
It's not even the shrimp, it's the ends of it.
Yeah. That skin. Well, that's fried. Fried
Bell.
Where my tartar sauce go?
So you eat shrimp like that?
Sometimes. Shrimp. Ooh, my honey got my bitch got honey dripping down. Excuse me. Girl, we're apologizing here.
Oh.
My honey got biscuit dripping down.
Yeah.
Sorry, I eat my biscuit with a fork.
A fork.
I'm gonna add my coleslaw
Where you going, boo? Here, come this way.
to my mashed potatoes. You going on the table?
Okay. And you was talking about me trying to, what you call it, with honey on it.
What? Oh, them jalapeno bombers. But coleslaw and mashed potatoes go together. Yes, they do.
No, it doesn't.
Comment down below. Comment down.
It don't taste bad together, but it don't go together.
Mashed potatoes and coleslaw go together. Like peanut butter and jelly. Thank you.
Oh, you so. Uh-oh.
Yes, it do.
Do it.
Look at it. It might look gross,
Who told you that?
but it's good. My taste buds. It says, Chef. I said,
No.
It said, put that coleslaw on the mashed potatoes and see how it tastes. After that, this is my to-go-to.
Really?
And then y'all hear mahogany back there.
See, I'm talking to you.
Doing all that talking.
My shrimp going so fast.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, because they gave it before. And then on the appetizer, They got them looking all good and buttery.
Yeah.
You open it, it's like, what's this? I got 4 left.
It's on the cake there. 4.
And I only ate 3. I think I ate 3.
No, I'm not eating.
I was enjoying this coleslaw mashed potato. So you guys, we are doing a St. Patty's mukbang tomorrow. I don't know what time, but it's gonna be out. Most likely in the afternoon.
Do you like broccoli?
We got Irish stew, apple cake, and I think they got like mashed potatoes, but they're like they have like bacon and something in them. I think it's just bacon. I gotta look it up. And I already got the potatoes and the bacon. Great. And what else was it? I think that's it.
Yeah.
We just gonna do a meat aside and a dessert. I was gonna make some
What's dessert again?
apple cake. It's just apples.
I don't think I like apple cake.
Well, what kind of cake you want?
You can make that, but I don't really like it.
You don't even know what it tastes like.
Yes, I do.
What is it like?
You don't know.
I just don't like it. But
What's the texture of it?
like a loaf cake. I know what
Now I
I'm
gotta
talking
find
about.
something else to make.
You could make it. I mean,
No, because I want you to be able to eat all of the food.
I will.
No, you ain't
It's a
about
thin piece. Look.
She put honey in that. Let's see how it tastes.
Good as I thought.
I only got 2 shrimp left.
I still got 4.
What? How you got 4?
Because I was busy eating that other stuff.
Well, yeah. With my tartar sauce on it.
I'm full.
Y'all, my eyeballs is burned from this makeup. I'm ready to take it off. Cheese. What's in your mouth?
Shrimp.
Seriously. My last shrimp.
She beat me, y'all. She beat me.
My last. My last shrimp.
No.
My last fried non-garlic shrimp.
I was eating slow today, y'all.
This stomach is full. I'm done with this coleslaw. I didn't eat all my mashed potatoes now. Stop. Stop.
High five.
She got a large coat. This biscuit was dry.
No.
I was. I'm just eating the bottom with the honey. Y'all. So I want to do an ASMR video. Can y'all comment some stuff y'all want to see me do? I know I want to try honeycomb. I'm kind of nervous about. And I'm not trying, what's that stuff? Olay?
Aloe vera?
Yeah, aloe vera. I'm not trying that, so that's out of the picture. But comment down below and let me know what y'all would like to see me try for my ASMR video. Once I get my microphone hooked up, that will happen. I promise it will. Just gotta get the mic hooked up and running.
What's wrong with it?
I don't know. It was working like the first day I got it. And now when I plug it in, it has no sound coming back out. So I gotta keep working with it. Oh, I'm gonna get it. Cause I ain't pay all that money just for it not to work. What's wrong with me?
No. Woo, I got choked out.
Is that I'm about to try these. Sheena can't eat them. Oh, look how the bag ripped open. Y'all.
That's pretty.
That's gonna aggravate me.
Wow.
Cause it's uneven. No, I'm talking about the bag is uneven. Oh my gosh, look how
with him. That's pretty. Go show
look how thin they are. Whoa. This is how I like it. Cause I don't really like all that peanut butter. You know what I'm saying? It's so thin. Oh no!
What?
The peanut butter is like thick. I mean, it's smooth. It doesn't have like the little peanut pieces in it.
Ain't that how that's usually?
No, it usually
I don't
the
know,
peanut
I
butter.
don't eat them.
The peanut butter is thicker. The peanut butter, I don't know if y'all can see that. It's like thin. See?
Oh, okay.
Look how they look. It's like a caramel. I mean, it still tastes like Reese's Pieces, but I like when it has a little peanut bites in it.
So cute.
Y'all, I know this video is not what y'all used to. Eat too
Down
slow.
below if you want to keep seeing us, you guys. Let her know.
She eat too slow.
Now that I do. I eat slow and I'm sorry.
Is you gonna eat all that coleslaw? Thank you. These are good. I would highly recommend these. If you don't like all the peanut butter in the normal sizes, tastes good. Anyways, I'm stuffed. I'm gonna go throw up now. Nah, I'm just playing, y'all. If I threw up after I ate, I would probably be skinny. This is not skinny. This is arm flab is not skinny. I love food, so I gotta keep it down.
Okay. All right, guys, I'm done.
After 5 hours later. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys enjoy us eating this way and not so conservative, I guess that's the word.
Conservative?
Conservative. Y'all know what I mean. Not so strict. But make sure you turn your post notification on and subscribe. Comment, like, subscribe. Don't forget.
Go check out my channel, guys. TT&Z Allen.
Comment, like, subscribe. Check out her channel. And we will see you guys in tomorrow's video.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Getting wrong.
No.
What was recording? I stopped it.
Oh.
And then you go pull